Good morning, happy stitching. Today we're again in Vogue's Dictionary of Stitches and we're working on number 6. So for this we're going to do multiples of 2 with a 3 turning chain. So first we're going to go into that 4th chain from the hook. We're going to push through, yarn over, pull through, and then we're going to skip a chain and do the same thing and pull through all 3, and then we're going to chain 1. We're going to go back into that same stitch we were just working in, and we're going to repeat that step we just did. So we're going to push over, yarn over, pull through, skip 1 chain, push through, yarn over, pull through all 3. And then we're going to chain 1, and we're going to continue that to the end of the row. And we're going to get these kind of like clusters. Now once we get all the way to the end of the chain, we are going to do just 1 single crochet on that last chain. You'll see that once we get to the end of it. And we're going to chain 3 for our turn. And then what we're going to do is we're literally going to repeat those steps over again, but we're going to be working into the chain space. So you're going to start with that first single crochet, and then we're going to go into that chain space. We're going to push through, yarn over, and then we're going to skip 1. We're going to go into that next one. Now we've got 3 on the chain, or 3 on the hook, and then we're just going to repeat all the way down into that 2 chain space. Sounds a little tough once you start it, but once you actually get going with this stitch, it is much simpler than it seems. So we're going to end the row again and the last stitch with 1 single crochet, yarn over, pull through. And we're going to chain 2, turn our work. And then we're just going to keep working this stitch. Whenever we start this, you're going to go into that same loop that you started with, or that same chain that you started with. You're going to yarn over, or pull. You're going to push through, yarn over, pull through, skip 1, push through, yarn over, pull through all 3, and then chain 1. And we get to the end, and we got this cute little thing. Yeah.